In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Slack in just under 5 minutes. This process is incredibly useful for enhancing your productivity and ensuring seamless communication between your team members. Let's dive right in and get started. First, we're going to head over to the Notion website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in notion.com or click the link if it's provided alongside this video. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll spot the Login button. Click on Login to proceed. Now you'll see several options for logging in, but for a quicker, more seamless entry, let's go ahead and click on Continue with Google. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to choose the one you typically use for your work or project-related tasks. This step links your Notion page with the Google account of your choice, offering you a streamlined experience. After you've successfully logged in, it's time to move to the specific page you want to integrate with Slack. Navigate through your Notion workspace and select the page where this integration is meant to take place. This is crucial as it determines where updates and communications will appear once the integration is active. Once you're on the desired page, we will initiate the Slack integration using a simple command. Type in the / symbol followed by the word Slack. That's Slack. This command creates a placeholder for the Slack integration, which is the gateway to connecting your workspaces. It's a neat feature that makes connecting your tools pretty intuitive. Next, you'll notice an option popping up titled Slack. Go ahead and click on that. Doing this step confirms that you're starting the integration process between Notion and Slack. At this point, Notion will prompt you to provide a link to your Slack workspace, which is how the two platforms will communicate. Head over to your Slack account and either copy the link to your workspace or simply identify the workspace URL if you've got it handy. Return to the Notion page and paste this link into the designated area. This step effectively places the communication channel in both directions, allowing updates and messages to flow seamlessly. Finally, confirm your choice by clicking on the link button. This action will finalize the integration, ensuring that both platforms are interconnected and ready to enhance your productivity and collaboration. And there you have it, a perfectly integrated Notion and Slack environment that will help streamline your workflow without breaking a sweat. Thanks for tuning in and happy integrating.